How to get started with cross-dressing. The reason why I'm using the term cross-dressing is because when people who are transgender and they start out in expressing themselves as a girl, the first thing that they have to come across is something called cross-dressing. Basically, you are dressing up as the opposite gender. But how do you really get started, and what is the first thing that you have to learn in order to get started with this entire thing? And it is nothing other than makeup. Yes, makeup is something that you have to learn. There is just no other option. Now, I know that there are many makeup artists, who are very expert in doing, male to female makeups and makeovers, and they are great. I have been to many of them myself. But if you see that over a long term, you cannot keep going and getting makeovers because they are very expensive. So you have to learn makeup. Another reason why you should be learning makeup is because, see, every face is different. My face is different from your face. And if you don't practice makeup on yourself, you will not know what goes on your face, what looks well on your face and what doesn't. Doing makeup on your face is pretty much like, you have an empty canvas and you are drawing on the canvas. So you need practice. So instead of, going to a makeover artist and spending a lot of money, why don't you spend some time and start practicing makeup on your face and get to learn, what works for you, what doesn't work for you, because makeup is like an ocean. But if you can just learn the basics and you practice enough number of times, you will know, what is your style of doing makeup. Another reason why you should definitely be learning makeup is because when you're getting ready, when you're getting dressed up as a girl, you don't want to spend, hours in getting ready. Because if you're someone who dresses, let's say, once in a blue moon, that's a different story. But if you're someone who wants to express this feminine side of you more often, then you have to reach a place where you can get ready in a shorter amount of time. Another reason why you should definitely learn makeup is because a lot of us are love traveling, going out and expressing ourselves in front of the world as a girl. So if you're traveling, do you really think you can carry all the makeup products with you? No. So what you need to do is learn the basics of makeup, know the products, the bare minimum products that you must have in order to express yourself the way you want or show yourself the way you want. So if you're traveling, if you're going out of station, if you're meeting friends, if you're not at your own place, you need to have a decent understanding of makeup. Last but not the least, please ensure that if you're learning makeup, even if it is basic makeup, learn it from someone who is really good at it. Do not go and spend very cheap amount of money just to learn it from someone who doesn't charge much. If you find someone who is a really good makeup artist, they are going to charge a lot, but invest that money in yourself because it will help you in the long run. So please ensure that you're learning from someone who is an expert on this topic. If you find somebody who has done a lot of makeup, who has done a lot of male to female makeup, that would be better. But if you cannot find someone like that in your city, it is still okay, because a lot of makeup artists who are really good, they would be able to teach you how to, cover your beard shadow and how to create that feminine persona. So remember these 4 things. Makeup is something which is, makeovers from makeup artists can be expensive, so you have to learn makeup. Your face is like a canvas, an empty canvas that you can paint and express yourself the way you want. Third, if you become really good at makeup, you will not need so much time and many hours to get ready. You will be able to get ready very quickly. And fourth, learn it from someone who is really good, who is an expert in makeup. I hope this video motivates you to get started with makeup, and I'm sure if you practice enough number of times, over a period of time you will be so confident that you will be able to get ready just like that, and you will not really need any help from anybody else. So I hope you can reach that place as soon as possible. So get started with makeup, girls. Don't wait. I love you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. If there's something you want me to talk about, please mention it in the comment box and I will definitely make a video on it. Till then, have fun, do whatever you want to do. I love you.